The fastest way to post in Facebook groups in 2026. In this video, I will guide you on how to automatically post on Facebook through the Facebook marketing tool. First, select the posting function and then choose the group posting feature. Next, enter the group posting configuration such as the interval between two actions, and select the content, images, or videos you want to post. The software will automatically save the content for you. You can also choose the option to allow duplicate posts across accounts. After that, enter the group UIDs where you want to post, with each UID on a separate line. In addition, you can set the maximum number of groups each account can post to, and how many posts each group can receive. You can also select extra options below such as interacting after posting, liking, commenting, and enter the comment content. Once you have entered the configuration, select the accounts and click Start. The tool automatically logs into your accounts and posts to multiple groups for you. It saves time, helps you reach potential customers, and boosts your brand visibility. In the video I just shared, I walked you through the Facebook group posting feature. If you're interested, feel free to contact me using the information below.